Hello guys, this is Business Plus on your way today again. Hope you guys are doing great. It's been a while that I've posted video. Been sorry guys, I've been busy trading and building accounts. To sit down and do a video is kind of stressful, but guys, you matters to me a lot, so I just have to drop this one for you. Now today I've come again with another wonderful strategy. And I would like to show you in 2 to 3 instances of how this strategy works without taking much of our time, and I will have to explain how this strategy works in 2 dimensions. And before I proceed, I would like to show you the settings. And we'll be using 2 indicators today. On the indicator window, we have the awesome oscillator, and awesome oscillator will be having our parameters. The line width is 1 pixels, and you can see the value up, stuff, and down. You can see the color. You can just give it your favorite color. When you are done with that, you click on done. Then for the second indicator, you click on the F icon, then you add moving average. You look for moving average. At this point here, you look for moving average. You click on the moving average. After when you've done that, on this page here, you see this moving average. You click on moving average. Then after when you've clicked on the moving average, you add this. Then you add these parameters to it. We have period 13, shift 0, method exponential, and apply to close. Then you can see the pixels under the styles. I gave it 2 pixels. You can use any pixels you want, but make sure you don't have color conflict. So no level. After that, we click on done. Now guys, you are going to give it the last zooming level. I call it level 1. This is the level 1. Okay, that's the zoomed out. I zoom it out. Then this is the zoom in. Now you can see I've zoomed it out to the last level. And now guys, let's go back a bit so that I'll be able to see exactly what I was talking about. Now on this indicator, the first one I'm going to show you is on boom 1000 index on 1 minute time frame, please. So let me now show you the entry point. You can see this is the entry point, the point at which the moving average cross the awesome oscillator. That's exactly where your entry will be. That's where your entry will be. And let me use an object so that you understand me better. You can see it's at this point here. Let me use another object below so you can see it's at the point here. Okay, so that's exactly where you enter your trade, and that's around how many minutes after the spike. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. At the 8th minute after the spike, you enter, and you can see we are having like how many candlesticks down. You can see you write it down. Okay, so and immediately when you get to the level here at this point before the last indicator, around this place guys, when you get to around this place, you can just take your profit and leave before you were being caught by the spike. And we probably cannot say how long the spike will be. Okay, so you just have to get out of the market. You get out of the market before anything happens to your profit. Okay, that's just it. So guys, you can see, let's look for another good entry. You can see we have another good entry here. You can see, so let me use this. We have another good entry here. Okay, now when we have an entry at this point, you can see you write it down. At least this will take almost 20 minutes while the trade is selling. And you can see when we get to around this point below here, then you exit the trade. Okay, so now let's look for another entry, another good entry, another good entry. Let's go. You can see we have another entry here. Okay, we have another here, guys. We have another here. When you enter your trade, yeah, that's the entry point. When you enter your trade here, you can see in the next 10 to 15 minutes you can take your profit, and also you'll be looking at the moving average at the indicator window. So when you're looking at it, even when the moving average gets to a point as such, okay, then you take your profit, then you leave the market. So it's not a must you pack every profit in the market. It's not possible. You just you just have not to be greedy. Sorry guys, you just have not to be greedy. So take the little you can. Now let's check for another. Let's check for crash 1000. Let's check for crash 1000. Let's check for crash 1000. In this strategy we are trading against the spike, guys. Like I said earlier, every of the strategies that I've been posting, everything is working fine. All of them, they are working fine. Now look at this again. We have a very good entry at this point. Okay, we have a very good entry at this point. Then you can see you ride it up, you ride it up. Don't be greedy. When you have like 1 2 3 4 5 to 8 candlestick or 5 candlesticks, depending on your lot size, just close the market. Is a good scalping strategy. You will not have any problem with it at all. You will not have any problem with it at all. So you can see, let's look for another good entry. You can see we have another good entry here. You can see this strategy is working very perfect, very perfect. I don't want to say 100%, but it's working very perfect. You can see if we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 2, even 10, you'll be fine. Or let me say 8, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. You see, then the spike happened, then you're out of the market. So you can see around this point we should be expecting a spike down around this point. Why? Because you can see at this point here the moving average has gotten to the top of the awesome oscillator. So probably within few minutes now there will be spike down. Probably there will be spike down. You can see we're working with level 1 and time frame 1. So guys, that's just it for this strategy. That's just it for this strategy. Now let me go to boom 1000. It's working for all of the crash and boom. You can see we have a very good entry here too. We have a very good entry at this point. You can see they cross each other here, but let me just give it like different of 2 to 3 candlesticks. You can see, then we ride it down for over 5 minutes. It's still selling. Okay, so you should not be caught with a spike. Okay, let's look for another entry. We have a very good entry here too. You can see we have a very good entry here too. So guys, all the strategies that I've been sharing with you on this channel, test it out in your demo account. You can see everything is working fine. Then for over 10 minutes you write it down. Okay, so that's just it for this strategy. That is just it for this strategy, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed on this channel, please kindly subscribe, share the video with your friends, and also give me a thumbs up. If there is any comment, guys, comment, okay, so that I will know how to prepare my next video. So guys, thank you. As you're supporting me, God will always be supporting you too. I feel very tired today. So since morning I'm just taking my time off this off trading. So I just have to do this video for you guys. So thank you and God bless you for supporting me. God bless you. Thank you. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.